Hi, good day. This is Eleanor, and I'm from the Philippines. And I'm passionate Tagalog tutor who enjoys helping students become more confident, comfortable using the language in real life situations. I have experience teaching students from different countries, ages, and proficiency level, from complete beginners to more advanced learners. Throughout my teaching journey, I help students improve their speaking, listening, pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, and overall communication skill. My lessons are friendly, interactive, and tailored to your goals. Whether you whether you're learning for travel, work, school, business, exam, or simply communicate with family and friends. I create lessons that match your learning style and pace. I believe that making mistakes is an important part of learning. So don't worry if you're just starting. I guide you step by step in a supportive, encouraging environment when you can practice with the confidence. Let me give you some quick example. Simple greetings in Tagalog. Hi, ako si Elenet. Masaya akong makilala ka. Which means, hello, I'm Elenet. I'm happy to meet you. Outside of outside of my teaching, I enjoy meeting people from different cultures, which makes every lesson enjoyable and meaningful. If you're looking for a patient, dedicated, enthusiastic tutor, I love to help achieve your goals. Book a trial lesson with me and let's start the learning journey together. I look forward meeting you soon. See you in my class.